how to make your first $10,000 in 30 days with TikTok. Now, if you're doing any kind of affiliate marketing, maybe you're promoting other people's products, maybe you have your own, you want to create your own products, digital or physical products to promote on TikTok shop, let me show you exactly how you can do this, okay? So those are some of the results of driving traffic from TikTok straight to affiliate pages. Now, again, let me show how this is done. Let's go here over to TikTok. You can see over here, right? So you can see over here, profile views, right? On TikTok, it's kind of audience, right? Where you have to understand who is your audience actually, what is their avatar, and mostly people go on TikTok to be entertained. So you have to keep this in mind, right? As you can see over here, right? Video views over 200, and this is just for last 7 days. 240,000 people. This is 240,000 eyeballs, audiences, people, human beings watching the video, right? So this is free traffic, mostly free traffic, right? You can also pay for TikTok ads, of course. But imagine having 240,000 people in 7 days seeing your videos. This is traffic. This is the attention, right? And then if you do the marketing correctly, as you can see over here, engagement, when it works really well, you have to understand, right, what attracts them. So yeah, the hook is very, very important. What do I mean by hook, right? The kind of headlines you're using, the colors behind it, right? So yeah, you have to know exactly what people are engaging with, right? What get attention, but not only just attention, because again, followers doesn't means you're making money. Followers and likes are not money. The right kind of attention gets the money, okay? The right kind of attention. So you don't need to have 240,000 daily or weekly views to make $10,000. You don't. Sometimes you just need a few hundred views to get 10 to 30 sales of low ticket products. On ClickBank, for example, if you don't know what ClickBank is or MagsWeb is, it's free affiliate network where you can join and promote different products as an affiliate without showing your face. So you can do it with your face or faceless. Okay, if you're doing high ticket affiliate marketing or low ticket, you don't need that, okay? So let me show you over here. In the last 28 days, almost 1 million views. Imagine this. In a month, 1 million views. In the last 60 days, 2.5 million views, okay? 11,300 comments. So all this works. If you're promoting high ticket or low ticket, those are the leads for the sales, right? So if you're using TikTok to drive traffic, to promote weight loss supplements, I don't know, high ticket courses, different make money online things, Forex, crypto, I don't know, whatever. It really works. It works as magic because people are glued to their phone. Just on Facebook alone, right now there are 3 billion people. And you only need 3 friends and 1 skill set to make a lot of money. And those 3 friends are Google, TikTok, and Facebook. You can even add YouTube, okay? One of those you can use, and skill set of creating really irresistible offers online, running those ads, and you can make a lot of money, okay? So what you can do next, if you want to get results with TikTok affiliate marketing, or even just driving traffic to your own products, or promoting high ticket affiliate offers, right? You can connect with me here, over here, on my Instagram, okay? So the links are in the description below. After watching this video, you can reach out to me. So you can see, okay, over here, you can connect with me, DM me, follow me, ask me any questions you want regards to ClickBank affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, low ticket affiliate marketing, right? What works the best on TikTok ads, and how to drive traffic to get the sales, okay? Because that's the most important thing if you want to have these kind of results, as you can see over here, right? With me right now, 2.5 million views, right? This is a lot of traffic, more than I'm getting from, I don't know, anywhere, from YouTube, right? So it works really, really well. Again, you have to take action. So as you watch this video, what you can do next is you can connect with me, okay? One-on-one after watching this video. So connect with me one-on-one. Links again are below this video. I have my WhatsApp number, yes. You can reach out to me, email, Facebook, and Instagram. So always in the description below, reach out to me, but only if you're serious. If you really want to make money or drive leads, drive traffic, get more clicks, get actually results, then let me know. Don't forget right now to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Somewhere above you can find the link, right? Just click on it so you can get these more helpful tips that will help you to get results, right? So you can reach out with me to me, and again, you only need someone who will help you along the way to get the results that you desire. All right, again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.